Yeah, when we make compilation, you will see that there is no error in our program. Our program is correct now. Let us run it. Yeah, to run our program, you have to first enter the number that asked by our programmer. You see, first of all, we have to enter any number. For example, when we enter 6, you see, when we take 6 and divide it by 2, we get 3 and remainder 0. That's why 6 must be an even number. You see, the enter the number is even. Welcome, friend. It's a time to get another stunning lesson on GDouble computer tutorial. Yeah, now I would like to start with these two concepts as you see on your screen, right? Yeah, I would like to ask you these questions. Yeah, what is an even number? When someone says the even number, what do you understand? Yeah, what about odd number? When you hear the odd number, what things come into your mind? Yeah, simply, and now we are going to deal with these two concepts, even number and odd number. We are going to write a C++ program that check whether the number is odd or even. This program will ask user to enter number, then display whether the entered number is odd or even, right? Yeah, now I'm welcoming you back, and please, if you are new here, it's time to make subscribe, to like this video, to share it to your colleague, and to give us your opinion or idea in the comment section. Yeah, without spend much more time later, let us start. Yeah, mathematically, when you say an even number, mathematically, when you say an even number is the one that when we divide it with 2, we will get a remainder 0, right? For example, the even number is num that we divide with 2, we divide with the 2 and now get 0 as remainder, right? For example, when we take 2 and divide it by 2, we will get 2 and remainder 0. So 2 is the best example of even number, but other numbers are the odd number. Any number that we divide with 2 and we get non-zero remainder, in that case we say that that number is the odd number, right? So that's why we are going to make declaration of number like this as one which is entered by the user, right? After this, we're going now to make the statement that asks user to enter number by using the shout statement like this. Then enter number, right? We're asking user to enter number that we will check whether that number is odd or even, right? After this, we have now to see in that number, right? Then after get this number, we can now check whether this number is odd or even based on our condition, right? And here we have to use if control statement, because if you know that if checks the whether the sum condition is true or false. So because I also display the false statement, we have now to use if else, because if else is one which display the true option or also false. Yeah, right? That's why we're going to use if our num is if our num modulus 2 and you get like remainder 0, and in this case we say that our number is even. Otherwise we say that our number is odd. In this case we have to shout that the number entered is the number entered is even now, right? The entered number is what? Is even, right? Because we take this number modulus 2 and we get 0. Then here end line like this. The other thing else, we say that the number is odd, right? By using arrows and then display that the number entered, the number is now odd, right? Yeah, like this. Then we have also put end line here so as to eliminate any confusion, right? So this is our program to check whether the number entered by a user is odd number or even number. Yeah, when we make compilation, you will see that there is no error in our program. Our program is correct now. Let us run it. Yeah, to run our program, you have to first enter the number that asked by our program. You see, first of all, we have to enter any number. For example, when we enter 6, you see, when we take 6 and divide it by 2, we get 3 and remainder 0. That's why 6 must be an even number. You see, the entered number is even, right? So you can also enter the other number else which is odd. For example, when we enter like the 5, you see 5 is not even, is odd, because when you take 5 divided by 2, you get 2 and remainder 1, and 1 is not equal to 0. That's why this 5 must be odd number, right? So this is our simple program to check whether the entered number is odd or even, right? So at the end of this video, let me tell you these things. If you have any question or idea, please keep down and keep writing in your comment section. If you have any problem you want from us to write some more program, so you can ask it. Yeah, and any idea, if there is somewhere to improve, you can tell us, right? Yeah, and also remember to make subscribe. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I will see you in next one.